There it is. We got a good one for you guys. It's not huge, but it does have a lot of lines in it. We'll get her taken care of for him. Just cleaned the suction cups on my tools, and man, they want to stick before I even put the pressure on them. That's awesome. You got to keep your suction cups clean, guys. We're not quite over the hole. There we go. Now we're over the hole. Alright, we already drilled this one. Drilled it before I turned on the camera. Let me get the camera up here where you can see what's going on. I'm sure you were kind of missing out there. So this one's got some pretty good lines in it. Not a huge chip, but a dangerous chip nonetheless because of the lines. I'm going to use the medium resin because the glass is warm. And it's only supposed to get up to like 60 degrees today, huh?
Well, no, but hopefully.
It'd be nice if it'd start getting up in the 70s and 80s again, like we had over the winter. I mean, we basically didn't have winter until April. And then it snowed.
Doesn't know how to cooperate.
And now it needs to warm up again because I'm tired of it being cold. Yeah, we're going to try to make all these lines as invisible as possible. I just can't guarantee you that they'll be 100% invisible. Okay? But the less visible they are, the more resin I know I've got in them. And the more resin I get in them, the less possibility of it cracking in the future. So that's a beautiful thing. Full of vacuum. And that bottom line just doesn't seem like it's trying to fill at all. Let's give it a little open and close technique here. Yeah, she'll fill. It'll just take a second. She'll fill. Pull the full vacuum, pressurize again, and as you can see, we're leaking a little resin out of the crack over here. We're leaking a little bit of resin out of that one. That's okay, we don't mind. We'll do fine. Get it pressurized again, and let's do the open and closing on this one. Try to get it to fill in, because we want them all to fill in. But this one is being difficult. The rest of them are already full. It's just this one that's being difficult. And we're leaking a little bit of resin, but not terrible. This one up here is full already. Yep, that one's full. So it's just this bottom one right here that we're struggling with. I mean, she is filling slowly but surely. And we don't want to get too aggressive on the glass, pushing and opening and closing the crack, because we never want to get too aggressive. So you texted me yesterday, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, I was so busy yesterday. I felt like a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. I was busy yesterday. All up north, too. I had very few appointments down in the southern area down here. Those were early morning appointments, and then I went up north. And I stayed busy up there all day. So I didn't get to you yesterday.
I'm very happy you were able to come by today, though. I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, it's all about just trying to organize my appointments so that I'm not running from one end of town to the other, back to the other, back to the other. So
Of course.
I made a loop. I just did West Valley, and I just did South Jordan. Now I'm down here, and then I got to go back to Kearns, and then I can go home.
Very nice.
So I'm just making a giant loop today. But you know, that snow really messed me up. I had to reschedule a lot of people. And then the rain that we had messed me up, and I had to reschedule a lot of people, and I'm just now getting caught up. So that's a beautiful thing. So since we're in the shade, we'll cure this with the light. Don't generally use the light when it's this sunny, but I could have you back it up in the sun, but by the time you do all that, I'll already have it cured. Because this takes about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes to fully cure. About the same as parking it in the sun.
I don't know how fast. I mean, if you saw me trying to back out into a left turn lane today,
Yeah.
who knows? Maybe I could have done it in half. maybe more. Who knows?
Yep. We got her. We filled in all those lines. So now there's no chance of it cracking. Your mom's cool.
Very nice.
Yeah, she was happy with the repair I did on hers. So said she was going to put me on the neighborhood page, which is a beautiful thing. Is that where you found me?
I mean,
or did you just say, who fixed your windshield?
I just need the windshield fixed, and right away your first thought was you, so
That's awesome.
So you did a pretty good job if you're the first one to come to mind.
That's awesome. I love doing quality work, you know. It's more, to me, it's more about quality than it is quantity. I could do 25 a day if I just rushed through them, but I'd rather do 10 good jobs and get those 10 recommendations out there than to do 20 shitty jobs and make more money. Because in the end, you're going to make more money doing quality jobs, even if it doesn't show right away. You're going to make more money doing quality jobs than you are doing crappy jobs, because eventually word's going to get around that you do crappy work, and now you're not going to make any money. But if you do quality work and you limit yourself to this many a day, and you just tell people, I can't get to you today, you know, I'm too booked up. And if they don't understand and they go somewhere else, then they'll learn that that other place they went didn't do as good a quality job, and they'll come back to you on the next one, and they'll go, I can wait for you because you do a better job than they do. So in the end, you still get more business doing quality work than you do quantity. And I just love my job.
It's always a good
Now it's going to look like a bug splatter.
Not the worst that my cars look, so
It won't look like any different from the other bug splatters, except this one looks like a little heart because of the way the glass was broken out. Let's see if we can get a good close-up of that little heart in the middle of that chip. If you look at it, looks like a little heart.
oh yeah,
How cool is that?
that's awesome.
Well, you know, it's an art form, I guess. I created art on your glass.
So that the truck that had whatever rock flat in my windshield, it was out of love.
That's right.
Hopefully.
That's right. It was a lovely rock.
He was just having a bad day. He's like, you know, I'm gonna run into this car today. But
By golly, that does look like a little heart. I love it. Looks like a little tiny heart.
the opposite. He was having a really good day. He's like, no, I'm gonna hit this car, but I'm gonna love doing it.
Right? It's gonna love hitting you. That's what the heart represents. It was a love tap. Right? Alright guys, you know what to do. Click the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video, throw me some love. I'll see you in the next video.